I got quite a crowd here right now. They're all over. I hope the squirrels come. Oh, there's a squirrel. Come on. Come on, I got something for you too. Some of them hover. It's amazing. Hey, come here. Which one are you? Oh yeah, here we go. The brave squirrel. Come on. Come here. Yep, come on. See if I can feed the squirrel and the... Hey, buddy. Okay, come down to the squirrel level. Hey, buddy. Yep, you know the drill. Come on. Yep. Aren't you glad you joined this live? Oh, those aren't for you. These are for you. No, these are for you. Those are for the birds. Here. There's another squirrel in the background. Chirping. He's making all the noise. It's so bright out today, so I'm squinting. I can barely see. It's so bright. I'm going to make this my new profile picture. Wait. Here. Yeah, there's 2 squirrels. The other one isn't brave enough to come and get food. Yeah, what do you think? You like the pumpkin seeds, eh? Look here. Try that. What's up there? What's up there? Oh, they figured that out. Oops. I dropped them from my hat onto the squirrel. Yeah, the little reds. I spilled a bunch, so he's eating on the floor now. The birds are here. Come on, other squirrel. Come on. Yeah, I got plenty for you too. Jigme. Come on, Jigme. Yeah, I don't know. There probably will be some in the spring. Yep. Yeah, come on. He's so cute. They're so tiny. The red squirrels, like, he's just so cute. I'll try to show you. You know, he's just like, he's right here. Yeah, come on. There we go. Yeah, you're a cutie little squirrel. Yeah, you're a cutie. Come on. Yeah, come on back up. Plenty. Oh, he's eating the ones that I spilled everywhere. Come on back up. Can I pet you? No, can't pet you. Okay. Oh, you're so cute though. Hi. What a good squirrel. Well, the other one is, there's 2 squirrels here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hearts and the gifts. I really appreciate it. I go live just about every day. Sometimes twice a day. This is my 2nd time today. I'm also on YouTube at Wonder and Wilder. And yeah, I feed birds and squirrels, but when the snow is, I also do like outdoorsy content. Yeah, come on. That was fast. No hesitation. Just jumped right up there. Is that you? Look at you. Look at how cute you are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are just the cutest little squirrel. Oh my God. Thanks so much for the hearts and the follows. Really appreciate it. There's some more. Yeah, there you go. Normally plants are my thing. Yeah, I talk a lot about plants and herbalism and go hiking. Hi, come on. I'm staying at a cabin in Cape Breton for 3 months. They are so cute. It's a wild squirrel. Less wild since I moved here. And yeah, I see his buddy in the background, you know? He's got a buddy who just watches us. And he's too afraid to come and get any. What are you looking at? Hi. It's a little scary when he looks straight at me. It's definitely going to be my profile picture. I'm in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. It's a beautiful sunny winter day here. I don't know how, really. This one is just really brave. There's another squirrel watching us who just, you know, as much as I try to feed him and be patient and put my hand out for him, he doesn't. And this guy will just come and eat everything. So I can't really feed the other guy. Yeah, you know, there's plenty for you and your buddy, but you take it all because you're so gosh darn cute. How can I stop feeding you? Yeah, feels like it. Okay, we're running out. This is the scary part. When I'm running out and he's digging around, he's gonna bite me. No, he doesn't. He doesn't. Oh, you're such a good. Oh my goodness! I'm petting him. I'm petting him. I feed him a variety of things. Right now, these were black oil sunflower seeds that were actually for the birds. And I have to go